Easily find all of our crochet tutorials. Type youtube.com/JaydaInStitches into your web browser and we'll see you there. Hi guys! Welcome to the Jayda InStitches show and thanks for dropping by the craft room. I did say I was going to let you all know my progress with trying out the tulip hooks that Mr. InStitches bought me for my birthday this year. I have a knife grip, not a pencil grip, and that was kind of why I thought maybe I didn't feel right up front if the tulips were kind of working as well for me as the clovers. So if you missed that previous video where I was comparing the tulips against the clovers, we'll link that down below in the description box. But I did say I was going to practice with the tulips a little more and see if maybe it was just sort of a getting used to it curve. Well, in the meantime, I took the set down to my mother-in-law, Mama InStitches, because she wanted to see them. And also, Mama has a pencil grip, not a knife grip. So I was very curious to see what she thought of the tulips. She was in the middle of a blanket. We subbed in one of the tulip hooks, and, well, it was instant love. Love at first sight, love at first use. Obviously the pencil grip makes a big difference for these particular tulips, and Mama absolutely loved them. So suffice to say, the beautiful package of tulip hooks stayed with Mama. And she's been busy using them ever since. She says some of the pains in her hands that she has when she does crocheting normally have started to kind of lessen. She can motor really fast with these particular tulips, probably because they don't have that sticky rubbery grip that the clovers do. Not sticky, but you know, kind of just a little more grippable. And for me, the knife grip, I found that those grippable handles on the clovers were much better for my kind of grip. So I guess the grip really does make a difference. Anyway, we did say we were going to let you know what I thought of the tulips. Somebody did ask in the comment section a couple videos ago why I wasn't using the tulips. Well, that's why. I definitely prefer my clovers. Mama loves the tulips, so she has them now, and they are perfect for her pencil grip. Just a little update. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed. If you were questioning whether to get clovers or whether to get tulips, we've done reviews now on both. We'll link both of those down below. And if you are in the mood to look at new hooks or do a little shopping, hopefully either of those videos will help you decide. Definitely look at your grip. If you're a knife grip like me, you might prefer the clovers. If you're a pencil grip like Mama, you might just love those tulips. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, we'll see you soon here on the Jayda InStitches show. Thanks for dropping by. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
Hi, everyone. This is Mama InStitches. Thank you for watching. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also click the like button and the bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.